Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you on fancy mocktail, Kiwi based mocktail, how to make that Kiwi bridge mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and add. Okay, before that, okay, I'm adding. Okay, 20 ml of Kiwi crush. After that, you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of coconut syrup. Then you have to pour 182 to 50 ml of lychee juice. Okay, then you have to pour some ice cube. Then shake all the ingredients properly. And take a tall glass and pour all the mixing ingredients into the tall glass. Then you can serve with straw. Then take a small decanter and add 5 ml of blue Caraco, sorry, gradient. Okay. After that, you have to pour soda. Then slowly you have to pour from the top of the glass. Now the fancy mocktail kiwi. This mocktail is ready. Okay. You can garnish with lime slice, lime slices, and garnish with umbrella. Your fancy mocktail is ready. Kiwi bridge mocktail is ready with a combination of lychee juice, kiwi crush, and coconut syrup. And I forgot to add lime juice. You can add some lime juice also. Then you have to make a two-layer based mocktail. Okay, very fancy mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Please like and subscribe my channel. And yes, you can see the mocktail. How fancy mocktail. Thank you very much.